In this video, we're going to show you how to make this Thai and Lao curry noodle dish that is absolutely delicious. It's called Khao Poon, and it uses vermicelli noodles. So what you're seeing here is chicken broth. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and put the chicken in there and allow it to simmer, and then add in galangal lemongrass that you just saw, and then chicken broth after it's been able to simmer and the chicken is pretty much well done and taken out of the pot. Next, you'll want to go ahead and get another pot out and put some cooking oil in there. And what you're going to be doing is adding some paprika. The paprika brings out the aromatics as well as the color of Khao Poon. And so you'll want about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Just eyeball it. It's just normal paprika, so nothing too fancy there. And then what you'll do is then mince up the shallot, galangal, lemon grass, as well as the kaffir lime leaves, and add all that into the pot along with coconut milk. Now let me talk about the coconut milk for a little bit. So this coconut milk is the full coconut cream, and so what we want to do is have about 2 cans ready to go for that, and make sure that you're not getting the ones that have like less calories. You want the full bodied coconut cream. So you're going to add the mixture into the pot, and then you're going to add the paprika along with it to get the color and the aromatics really nicely blended. And you're going to also then add the curry paste so that it just mixes in, and slowly go ahead and add those products in as you start smelling it. So then what we did was we kind of pounded the chicken with a mortar and pestle. I mean, you can just shred the chicken if you need to. So go ahead and put that cooked chicken in there, and that chicken was what was making that broth that you see. And so what you want to do is make sure that you mix the mixture in and add more kaffir leaves and tear them so that the aromatics come out of the leaves. And then after that, you can add padak, which is like this fermented fish sauce. You only need a little bit of it, MSG, and then salt. Okay, so you're going to put that all in the pot, and then what she's doing here is she's kind of like clearing out the coconut cream cans with water, and then just pour that broth into the pot, and this is what you get. It's literally amazing. And then what you'll want to do is go ahead and get your vermicelli noodles ready. They're different than rice sticks that you use for like dishes like pho. I've got a whole post all about vermicelli noodles versus rice sticks. So then you're going to want to skim off like I call them impurities, but just like the broth that froths up at the top. And you're going to want to let this allow to simmer for about 30 minutes. And then vermicelli noodles and all of the accompaniments like cabbage and bean sprouts and lettuce and mince can be added on top. And if you want to add more spice to it, just go ahead and add red chili peppers, and you've got yourself a delicious meal.